Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. That's the Wild Wild West. 10:58 in the morning. Come out to this. That storm. Look how much snow it has dumped. There's crestline and Big Bear, and there's a lot of snow on Lake Hibbett. A lot. But this is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They got 16 inches of snow up there. Wow. Just so beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Please make sure you hit like, subscribe, notification. Wow. I wish I could go up there, but gotta wait. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. People that are going up there, please make sure you have chains. Be safe, because there is black ice. So make sure you guys you hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.